Hi. In this video, we will see how to use the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. VLOOKUP lets you search for specific information in your spreadsheet. For example, if you have a list of products with prices, you could search for the price of a specific item. Let's see how to use it. Here we have an Excel sheet with some data. In the first column, we have the names of the people. And in the second column, we have their salaries. Then here the user will type the name of the person whose salary we want to find out. And as we type the name here, the salary will be printed here automatically. For example, here I have typed the name John Cena. So here we get his salary as 100 automatically. This is possible with the help of the VLOOKUP function. Let's see how this function works. If I click this cell, you can see the VLOOKUP formula written here. The first argument of this function is the name that we want to search the data for. Since we want to search the data for the name that is typed in this B9 cell, therefore, we have written B9 as the first argument of this function. Then, the second argument is the entire table in which we want to search the data. So here we have written the range of A2 to B7. The third argument is the column where our answer is present. Since our answer is the salary of a person, and it is in this column which is the second column in this sheet, therefore, we have written 2 as the argument here. And the final argument is the criteria for lookup. There are 2 types of criteria. One is to look for an exact match. And the second one is to look for an approximate match. To look for an exact match of words we have to write false here. To look for an approximate match of words we have to write true here. As of now, I have used the exact match option, so I have written false. Okay, now let's test this practically. I will type various names in this box, and their salaries should be displayed below automatically. So as you can see, when I typed the name Undertaker, his salary, which is 200, is displayed correctly below. Let's see some more. So as I type each name in the name box, their respective salaries are displayed in the salary box below. Now, I will change the word match criteria from exact match to approximate match. So I will change this false word to true. And then let's see the result. There you go. As we change the criteria to approximate word match, the formula cannot even find the name Big Show correctly. That's an issue with the approximate match criteria, that's why I recommend not using it. Let's try some more. The salary of John Cena is correct. The salary of The Undertaker is wrong. It should be 200. Salary of Triple H is correct. If I just type the name, Kurt, it shows the salary as 100, which is wrong. Kurt Angle's salary is 88. If I type Big Show, it simply cannot find his salary. The salary of Kane is wrong. It should be 150. So as you can see, using the approximate word match criteria is not good and it gives wrong results. So I recommend using the exact word match criteria only. So that's it. That's how you can use the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.